Hey, what's up guys? My name is John. Thank you all very much for tuning in. This video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be speaking about the top 3 apps that can earn you an income every single month. If you watch my channel, then you are probably interested in making an online income or making a passive online income. Well, this is just one of the ways that you can actually make money every single month by creating a mobile farm. Now, I'm from the UK, so it's a little bit different as opposed to the US. It's a bit tougher because we don't have as much apps that makes a real kind of income, but we do certainly have some, and you can certainly make a mobile farm with the apps that we can use. So I'm going to jump straight in and start off with number 3. So number 3 is App-like. Now with this app, basically you download games, and as you run the games and play the games you earn rewards. These are in the form of points. Long story short, these points can be converted into cash or gift cards. Now this is a more passive one. Once you install a game, you don't have to really play it. As long as you keep it running, it will rack up the rewards and it will rack up the points. The longer you play the game, the more points you receive. However, the longer the game is running, the longer it takes to get the points. If you're going to use this for your mobile farm, I would suggest that each day download a new game and just restart it like that, and you'll rack up the points. You could probably earn roughly about $20 a month per mobile device. It's not a lot, however, if you've got an old phone just sitting there, then it adds up. Number 2 is Slide Joy Lock Screen Cash Rewards. Now, this is a semi-passive one. Basically, once you install this will put a lock screen on your mobile phone, and every time you unlock your phone you will get rewards. Now you can't spam this, you can't just keep unlocking your phone and rack up the points. It doesn't work like that. It's got an algorithm in it that registers when you're doing that and knows you're spamming it. So just use it naturally like you would just your normal phone. Every time you unlock it naturally, this will give you rewards, this will give you points, which again can be converted into PayPal. This can probably pay out about $15 per month, and this can also be used on more than one device. Number 1 is Cash Magnet. A lot of people have been speaking about Cash Magnet and people are very skeptical about using it, but I can confirm that this does work and it does pay out. This is actually probably one of my favourite ones, and it's definitely the best for the UK from what I've seen anyway. This is a completely passive income, but you do have to use an old phone. You can't really use this on your own phone. Once you install it, this will completely take over your phone, and it will start to run things like adverts. It will start running through your Google Chrome, and basically it will click on ads, which generates them an income, and you get a portion of that income. Basically you will get points again, and these points will start to add up and you can cash out in PayPal. You start at level 1, which means that you can only run it for like 2 to 4 hours, I believe, and this will run in the background for 2 to 4 hours and just rack up the points for you, and then it will stop for 24 hours. What you have to do is download the games within the app. Once you download the games within the app, this will unlock new levels, giving you more time, more hours to run your phone passively. Now this is probably one of the greatest ones for a mobile farm. You really need to use older phones. You can't use the phone that you're using, obviously, because it does take over the full phone. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi with this, and you can earn up to $15 per month per device. At the moment you can run 4 devices with this, so $60 is the max that you can make right now. However, the people that have created Cash Magnet have stated that eventually they're going to unlock the ability for you to use 100 different devices for this app. So if you had a mobile farm with 100 different devices making $15 per month, that's $1,500 per month, completely passive. I'd definitely stick with this one, guys. This is just going to get better. Well guys, that's pretty much all I want to say. That is my top 3 apps for a UK mobile phone farm. Well, hopefully someone learned something today. Thank you very much guys, see you later. Bye.